If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Verizon Communications with the ticker symbol VZ. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like Verizon Communications had a nasty sell-off. You can see that we went from the $55 level all the way down to the $45 level. So that's a $10 swing in such a short amount of time. For this large company is pretty rare. It's a rare sight to see. So we had this channel working lower, a very aggressive impulse down, unsustainable. And whenever we see this, if you're a really good technical analyst or chartist, you know this is bullish because it's not going to last long. And you can see that after a breakout side of this channel and a move to a new low, we started seeing a lot of buying come in. So that was expected. And where can this buying go? Well, most likely we're going to come back to test the breakout in the EMA. So that's my near-term target, which is right at the $50 level. So I think that's where Verizon Communications can go to. It looks like the whole market is oversold and we're due for a pullback, and that's exactly what we're expecting right now. So Verizon Communications will definitely benefit from that. And it looks like we're going to target this breakout level or the bottom side of this range and the EMA. You could also see that we had a measured move outside of this range. It's what I explained in my course. You can see that this was the first move down right here, or this was the measured move down, which is right at the $45 level, and price action came right to the $45.55 level. So we were very close to this measure move before prices bounced. So now we're seeing a retraction. We're coming back up to this $50 level in the EMA, which is right there to test it, and from there, if we don't find any resistance, we can continue much higher. If we find some type of resistance, we can come back down to the lows, which is unlikely. Usually when you see this type of breakout and you see a lot of buying come in, this could be a V bottom reversal. So we could just break right through this $50 level, maybe find some type of support, and then continue higher to target this gap right here and the top side of the range. So that the $55 target is definitely possible, probably next month. So I'm looking for the $50 target first, and maybe the $55 target, depending on how strong this V bottom reversal is. Definitely looks like buyers want to at least bring it up to the $50 level. Now let's go ahead and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So Verizon Wireless is in a multi-year low. You can see that we have not been this low since pretty much 2018. So that's about 4 years that you can get a blue chip stock at a great price, because eventually prices are going to go higher due to inflation, so, and the dollar getting strong. So pretty sure this will follow suit and maybe have a new all-time high in the next year or two. So this definitely looks like a good buying opportunity if people are interested in that. I don't have any more cash left, unfortunately. I did own Verizon Wireless before. However, I don't have any cash for this type of stock in my portfolio, but definitely nice. This would be a great opportunity to be a buy and hold investor for this blue chip company, especially when they pay dividends. So you can see that we came up short on this side of the channel. This downtrend channel was in place since 2020, which led to a breakout on the top side. Once we get the breakout, we usually go back down to retest the previous low of the downtrend. That's exactly what we did. We exceeded it, which is fine. And then we started finding some type of support, which we did back here in the past. This was a support level. We bounced, seeing a lot of buying come in. This looks pretty good. I think this whole red candle would be swallowed up by this green one. We might have this green candle bigger than the previous red week candle by the end of this week. We'll have to wait and see, but this looks pretty good. Looking for much higher prices. We can see that the overall pattern is still up. We're inside of a spiking channel, a decade-long spiking channel. So this is the spike up right here, and then we went inside of a flatter channel, and this is the channel right here. Let me go and adjust this. So this looks like the support right here. If I drag it up, this looks pretty nice. You can see that all these price bars are fitting inside of this orange channel, and then is respecting the lines. And eventually we just had the first break of it. Whenever we get the first break of a channel, we usually go back down we usually back up to the retest the previous extreme. In this case, it's up, so we could have a new all-time high possibly next year. That's what it looks like, mid next year, and depending how strong this reversal is. But I'm looking for higher prices because you can see that we had a spike and channel up. This is the first break of the pattern, and it looks like the correction is over, and we're seeing a good amount of buying come in, so that's a good sign. I'm looking for that $50 target in the short term, then the $55 target, and then the $65 target, which will make a new all-time high. So Verizon Wireless is looking pretty good for a blue chip stock, and definitely one of the safer bets in this market. So that's all I have for Verizon Communications. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.